Physical and mental health requires a balanced approach that includes exercise, nutrition, sleep, stress management, and social well-being. Here's a breakdown. Physical health. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of intense exercise per week. Strength training twice a week is also beneficial. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, including lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit processed foods and added sugars. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water daily, around 2 to 3 liters, to keep your body functioning properly. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid harmful habits. Limit alcohol, quit smoking, and reduce caffeine intake, especially in the evening. Mental health. Manage stress. Practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to lower stress levels. Stay connected. Build strong relationships with family and friends. Social support is essential for mental well-being. Engage in hobbies. Activities like reading, music, painting, or gardening can boost mood and creativity. Practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal or reflect on positive aspects of life to develop a more optimistic mindset. Seek professional help when needed. If you're feeling overwhelmed, therapy or counseling can provide support and guidance. The importance of daily exercise for physical and mental health. Daily exercise is one of the most powerful ways to improve both physical and mental health. It provides numerous benefits, from strengthening the body to enhancing emotional well-being. Physical health benefits. 1. Strengthens the heart and lungs. Cardiovascular exercise, e.g., walking, running, cycling, improves heart health, reduces blood pressure, and increases lung capacity. 2. Boosts immunity. Regular movement enhances the immune system, helping the body fight infections and diseases. 3. Aids in weight management. Exercise burns calories, builds muscle, and helps regulate metabolism, reducing the risk of obesity. 4. Prevents chronic diseases. Lowers the risk of conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and osteoporosis. 5. Improves posture and flexibility. Stretching and strength training prevent injuries, back pain, and joint problems. Mental health benefits. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Physical activity helps lower stress hormones, cortisol, and increases endorphins, improving mood. 2. Enhances cognitive function. Regular exercise improves memory, focus, and problem-solving skills by increasing blood flow to the brain. 3. Boosts mood and self-esteem. Exercise releases dopamine and serotonin, chemicals that promote happiness and confidence. 4. Improves sleep quality. Being active during the day helps regulate sleep patterns, leading to deeper and more restful sleep. 5. Acts as a natural antidepressant. Studies show that exercise can be as effective as medication for mild to moderate depression. How to incorporate daily exercise. Start small. A 15 to 30-minute walk is a great beginning. Mix it up. Combine cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Make it fun. Engage in sports, dance, yoga, or any activity you enjoy. Stay consistent. Develop a routine that fits your lifestyle. By making daily exercise a habit, you can enjoy long-term physical health and emotional well-being. The importance of walking for physical and mental health. Walking is one of the simplest yet most effective exercises for improving both physical and mental well-being. It's low impact, accessible to almost everyone, and requires no special equipment. Physical health benefits. 1. Improves heart health. Walking strengthens the heart, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Helps maintain a healthy weight. Walking burns calories and supports metabolism, aiding in weight management. 3. Boosts joint and muscle health. Gentle on the joints, walking helps improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and strengthen leg muscles. 4. Enhances lung function. Walking increases oxygen flow, improving respiratory health and endurance. 5. Lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Regular walking helps prevent diabetes, osteoporosis, and certain cancers. Mental health benefits. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Walking in nature or open spaces can help lower cortisol levels, promoting relaxation. 2. Boosts mood and mental clarity. It increases the production of serotonin and dopamine, improving overall happiness and cognitive function. 3. Improves sleep quality. A daily walk, especially in the morning sunlight, regulates sleep cycles and enhances restfulness. 4. Enhances creativity and problem solving. Walking stimulates brain activity, making it a great way to clear your mind and spark new ideas. 5. Encourages social connection. Walking with friends or family fosters relationships and reduces feelings of loneliness. How to incorporate more walking into your day. Take short walks during breaks or after meals. Use stairs instead of elevators. Park farther from your destination. Walk while talking on the phone. Make it a daily habit, even for just 30 minutes. Walking is a powerful tool for overall well-being, and consistency is key. The benefits of walking after meals for health. Walking after meals is a simple yet powerful habit that can improve digestion, regulate blood sugar, and enhance overall well-being. Even a short walk of 10 to 30 minutes can make a difference. Physical health benefits. 1. Aids digestion. Walking stimulates the digestive system, helping food move smoothly through the stomach and intestines, reducing bloating and discomfort. 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. A post-meal walk can prevent blood sugar spikes, making it especially beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. 3. Supports weight management. Walking after eating helps burn calories and prevents excess fat storage. 4. Boosts heart health. It improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and reduces bad cholesterol levels. 5. Reduces acid reflux and heartburn. Light movement prevents stomach acid from rising, reducing the risk of acid reflux. Mental health benefits. 1. Enhances mood. Walking releases endorphins and serotonin, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. 2. Improves sleep quality. A gentle walk after dinner can help regulate circadian rhythms and lead to better sleep. 3. Boosts mental clarity. Walking increases oxygen flow to the brain, improving focus and cognitive function. Best practices for post-meal walking. Walk at a comfortable pace, not too fast, to avoid discomfort. Aim for 10 to 30 minutes of walking for optimal benefits. Choose a flat, safe path to walk comfortably. Stay hydrated to aid digestion.